In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get voice chat on Roblox mobile. For this, we're going to load up the Roblox application. Then once we have entered the application, we are going to click on the three dots at the bottom right corner. Then from here, we want to scroll down until we see the settings cog. Click on it. Once we have entered the settings, we are going to press on account info. And then right here, you should get the option verify my age. So I'm going to click on it. First, we have to verify our email. So give me a second. Once I have typed in my email, it will give us this warning. Verify your age to get the most out of Roblox. So you need to have either a driver's license, a passport, ID card, or residence permit. So we're going to click on start session. Scroll down until you see copy URL. Allow. Now I have pasted this URL in Google Chrome and we're going to click on get started. And this wants to use your camera. So basically, when this wants to use your camera, you click on allow, you aim it at your ID or other document so you can verify your age, and then your age will be verified on Roblox mobile. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys and girls next time. Goodbye.